The ultimate 20-cent anti-aging miracle, a 3-step DIY face mask for youthful skin. In a world where skincare products often come with exorbitant price tags and questionable ingredients, nature provides an affordable and highly effective alternative. This revolutionary DIY face mask, costing just 20 cents per use, combines 3 powerhouse kitchen staples to deliver professional-level anti-aging results. The first step harnesses the power of egg whites, which are rich in albumin and collagen, proteins known for their skin tightening and wrinkle-reducing properties. When applied as a thin layer and left to dry for 15 to 20 minutes, the egg white creates a temporary lifting effect that visibly firms the skin, leaving it smoother and more youthful. The second step introduces egg yolks, packed with skin-loving vitamins like A, D, E, K, and B complex, which deeply nourish, repair, and hydrate the skin. Mixed with a teaspoon of plain yogurt, the yolk forms a nutrient-dense second layer that brightens the complexion and enhances elasticity. Finally, the yogurt itself, preferably organic or probiotic-rich, works wonders thanks to its lactic acid content, which gently exfoliates dead skin cells, promotes a balanced microbiome, and gradually lightens dark spots. Together, these ingredients create a synergistic treatment that rivals expensive store-bought creams without any harmful additives. The full treatment is simple yet transformative. Begin by washing your face with warm water to open pores, then separate an egg and whisk the white until frothy before applying it evenly to your skin. After letting it dry and tighten for 15 to 20 minutes, rinse it off and follow up with a mixture of the remaining egg yolk and yogurt, leaving the second layer on for an additional 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. With consistent use just twice a week, you'll notice remarkable improvements: skin tightening within the first week, fading dark spots by the second week, and visibly softened fine lines within a month. But the benefits don't stop at topical application. Incorporating eggs into your diet, especially when cooked in healthy fats like olive or coconut oil, further boosts collagen production and skin hydration from within. Additionally, avoiding toxic skincare ingredients such as parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances ensures your skin isn't exposed to unnecessary irritants. For even greater results, consider making your own El Roite yogurt, which supports gut health, a key factor in achieving clear, radiant skin. This all-natural approach proves that glowing, youthful skin doesn't require expensive creams or complicated routines. By leveraging the power of simple, wholesome ingredients, you can achieve, and even surpass, the results of high-end skincare products at a fraction of the cost. The mask's effectiveness lies in its ability to tighten, nourish, and renew the skin without exposing it to harsh chemicals, making it ideal for all skin types, including sensitive or acne-prone skin. Beyond the mask itself, adopting a holistic approach, such as eating nutrient-rich foods, avoiding toxins, and supporting gut health, can amplify and prolong its benefits. For those eager to dive deeper into natural skincare, resources like free skincare guides, probiotic yogurt recipes, and lists of harmful ingredients to avoid can further enhance your routine. So why wait? Try this transformative mask tonight and wake up to firmer, brighter, and more radiant skin tomorrow. Nature has already provided everything you need for timeless beauty. It's time to embrace it.